you know, as we get along, you want to think ninjutsu, you know. So you make your job easy. Hit, right? Once I get from this point, you see, this is what I want. This is the effect that I want to get into. Here, I move in. Huh? Huh? You see? That's the effect that I want you to get into. So, as you move, you say here, here, here. That's what I want you to be into. Huh? Because that's the stealth. Huh? You see? Now, bang. You see? That's the stuff that I want you to be into. I want you to show you your attitude. Huh? You see the character, the expression. Huh? That's the character. Close. Right. Stay there.